ground beef, half a kilo. Chopped onions and garlic, black kidney beans, corn kernel, sliced mushrooms in can, diced tomatoes in can, tomato sauce, taco seasoning, herbs and spices. In a saucepan, we'll add oil. We'll add our garlic, our chopped onions. We'll add our ground beef. We will cook the beef for 5 minutes. Then we'll add our black beans. We'll add our mushroom slices, garlic powder, spices, herbs and spices, salt and pepper, our thyme, our taco seasoning. Ayan. Lagay ko na rin yung corn kernel. 1 pouch of tomato sauce, 250 grams. Of water, 250 grams of water. Our diced tomatoes in can. Basically, tapos na rin siya. Madali lang siya lutuin kasi halo-halo lang pagkagisa mo doon sa baka. Sa giniling na baka. Ito na itsura nung taco soup. Yan.